about your design?
I drew a sun in a box, and then just smiles, and then a flower and a heart. So far I'm making Spider-Man and I made a bird.
Tell me about your chirper.
That I'm making it my favorite colors, and I'm putting hearts on it. So I can know my brother with it. This one says stop, and I'm never going to stop. I like it because I can tease my dog. So I made it like midnight kind of, and then I put my name in it. And I put my name in it.
Nice. How about yours?
I made it black and gold. And then he started coloring it.
Very cool.
Then my name is on the bottom, but I can't see it yet.
Okay. And how about yours?
I made mine a rainbow and gold at the top, and I was thinking about making this part gold too, but instead I just made it a rainbow.
Okay. Thank you.
I made my chirper look like the Halloween colors. Orange is for pumpkins, black is like the night when creepy things come out. Green is for the rotting colors of the zombie.
Thank you.
And the red is the vampire spirit.
Okay.
It's all about ducks, and I think it makes a really good sound. It makes some music.
Tell me about your chirper.
It's Valentine's theme, but it doesn't make that really good music.
Bring it here. Let me see. Here, hang on. You tell me about your chirper.
I don't need to add any details.
Okay. Bring it here. Let me check it out. Black and stuff, and I did a lot of cool colors on it and just it with black. It's Minecraft things, and I like it. Go with this one, and yeah. Very good. Thank you.
It's space themed because I accidentally put blue on there, then green, then I decided to make it space themed. I love my bird chirper.
One, two, three.